How to share folder on Google Drive for Windows. Google's free cloud storage platform, Google Drive, is a great collaboration tool, but you have to know how to share files and folders to make it fulfill its potential. Sharing a folder is easy. It's the particular of making sure you share the proper stuff with the right people that gets tricky. First, let's open the browser. On the address bar, write drive.google.com. Please be sure to log in if you do not see a page with all your folders and files. If you want to share a folder, just click on the folder you want to share. On the folder, on the top you have the name of the folder. Click on the arrow. On the menu, select Share. You can share a folder with a specific person or share a folder with anybody who has the folder's link. It depends on you how you want to share the folder. If you want to share the folder with somebody and you have their email address, just write on the input the person's email. Click on that email. Write a message. Also, you can select the permission you want to give. The person can view, edit, or only place comments on this folder. Select what you want and then hit Send. You have now shared the folder with a specific person. But what if you want to share a folder with a group of people? You can do this. Click again on the arrow from the top. Click Get Link. Also, change Restricted to anyone with the link. You will be able to copy a link to send. This method is easier, but is less safe as anybody with this link can have access to the folder. This is how you share a folder on Google Drive for Windows. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.